Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You begin by confirming your laptop model and that your graphics drivers are current. This ensures Vibrance controls appear and behave correctly. Once done, open Windows Display Settings or the Vendor Control Panel, Intel Graphics Command Center, NVIDIA Control Panel, or AMD Radeon settings, because each exposes different sliders. Make sure you're plugged in and using the internal display profile you want to edit. Otherwise, adjustments may not apply. Now locate Color or Display options to reveal saturation, or now you'll modify the Vibrance slider itself, which may be labeled Vibrance, Saturation, or Digital Vibrance depending on your GPU. You should change values in small steps, around 5%, so you can judge impact without oversaturating skin tones or UI elements. As you move the slider, observe real content, photos, video, and desktop icons. This shows how colors shift in practice. Once you find a preferred level, write down the numeric value or take a screenshot so you can replicate or revert the setting later. Finish by applying the change and saving it as a named profile if your control panel allows. That makes switching quick and repeatable. After saving, test across multiple applications, browser, photo viewer, video player, to ensure consistency, and then reboot to confirm the setting persists. If colors look incorrect or controls are missing, make sure drivers are up to date. If problems continue, reset the color profile to default or roll back the GPU driver. Also try external monitors or safe mode to isolate software conflicts.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.